What's up, traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading coming at you with today's incredible market trading recap. Folks, we had a sell-off today that in my opinion was one of the nicest, most beautiful sell-offs that I've seen. Okay, so let's get into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the S&P 500. You guys know this is the global benchmark. This is a very, very popular symbol to trade right now, and you can trade this bad boy on all asset classes, Forex, futures, and stocks and options. All right. And what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator profile. All right. This green and red color band, again, in my humble opinion, does a world-class job of predicting a potential trend change before it happens. Okay. As it did so today right over here, where the indicator turned red at exactly 8:43 a.m. in the morning. Now here's the million-dollar question, right? What do you do when you identify a potential trend change? How do you play it? Well, let me walk you through a potential trading setup that, in my opinion, is the most powerful of all time. Okay, check out all the videos, check out all the content. You're going to see this pattern that I'm going to show you here in a few seconds to be just incredible, unlike anything you've ever seen. All right, so let me take you from the top. All right, when this volume indicator turns red, all right, what I like to do is I want to wait for like a downtrend and some momentum to be established, right? I want to see the market come down, like establish that really nice, strong downtrend like it did right here. But then I want to see the market come back up. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, this specific pattern that I'm looking for is called a retracement pattern. Okay, a lot of traders might call this a pullback, but I like to call this a simple retracement pattern. So let me dial you in here further. Okay, what exactly is the criteria we're looking for? Okay, number one, I want to see a nice deep pullback. The price has to come above the volume indicator color band. You with me? In addition, I want to see a color match. What does a color match mean? Well, as the market's coming up and retracing, I want to wait for one of these. Okay? A red reversal bar that closes against the red color band. Okay, that makes it a color match. And I need this red reversal bar to be above the color band. Those are my only criteria, folks, okay? And so in this case right here, we were 3 for 3. The condition was true. This right here, folks, when you see this pattern, this is what I like to call a perfect trading setup, okay? And you know what's different about this one compared to this one, right? People are going to look at this chart and say, well, hey, Mark, how about this red reversal bar? Why wasn't this one a valid setup? Well, again, folks, I feel it's kind of obvious, right? This red bar right over here did not close above the volume indicator color band, right? So right away, we're going to rule out this red reversal bar as a condition, right? This means absolutely nothing right here. It means nothing. But this one over here, folks, my goodness, I was absolutely chomping at the bit when I saw this setup print today. And of course, folks, what I would want to do is I'd want to take a potential short trade on the open of the very next bar after the signal is true. So I'd be looking for a short setup right over here. Let me clean this up a little bit. 1 second, folks. Okay. I'd be looking for a short setup right over here, and I'd be placing my potential stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips above this signal bar's high. You with me? And ladies and gentlemen, if I spin this forward, you guys can see how this trade played out, right? Folks, the market took an absolute dump for a potential 300 ticks from the entry to the session close. So listen, folks, I don't care who you are, what you trade, or what your favorite symbol is. All right? I'm showing you a trading system and a trading setup here that has the statistics behind it, right? This is the trading style that is designed to put the odds in your favor. And listen, there's no guarantees in trading, right? You guys know that. All you can do is look for high probability setups, look for very strong patterns in the market, and play it accordingly. In this case, you can see here, this trading setup from today, the stop loss never got touched. Okay, so yeah, folks, it's been a 2-day incredible stretch of trading. If I show you yesterday, my goodness, man, the same exact pattern printed yesterday, a perfect retracement pattern to the upside. This was like 500, 600 ticks to the long side, and wouldn't you know it, the very next day we get the exact same setup, this time to the short side. Folks, this indicator is on fire. I'm so glad you guys crushed it this week with the volume indicator. And for everybody else who's still scratching their balls with your garbage charts, your garbage indicators, you had no idea what happened in the last 2 days, folks. There was no obvious trend on these garbage charts. And that's why I'm convinced that professional trading software like this, and specifically like this indicator that can potentially help any trader identify these turning points, make all the difference in the world. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.